Shenzhen Bioeasy Biotechnology Co Limited has developed mycotoxins rapid detection box that is to monitor levels of mycotoxins in cereals and feed. This product is fast, accurate, portable, and aesthetic. First, I will introduce the contents of the detection box. It includes multifunctional centrifuge tubes, filter paper, 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tube holder, weighing paper, scale, plate holder, test tubes, incubator, 200 microliter pipette tips box, vortex, reader, timer, grinder, centrifuge, manual, 1 milliliter pipettes, 200 microliter pipettes, stainless steel spoon, 50 milliliter centrifuge tubes, gloves, 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tubes, 200 microliter pipette tips, 1 milliliter pipette tips, mask, notebook, marker. Next, I will demonstrate rapid test of Aflatoxin B1 in corn. The test kit is provided by Shenzhen Bioeasy Biotechnology Co Limited. The kit contains a manual, a palette, and 6 test tubes. Each test tube contains 8 white microwells, 8 red microwells, and 8 test strips. Product details subject to the actual instructions. First step, grind the sample. Put the corn into the grinder. Cover the lid. Plug in. Press the lid to start grinding and do it for around 15 seconds. Unplug. Stop grinding. Pour the sample into the lid while ensuring it is homogeneous. Second step, weigh 5 grams of the sample and put it into a 50 milliliter centrifuge tube. Add 30 milliliters of 50% ethanol. Shake manually or vortex for 2 to 3 minutes. Put it aside for later use. Third step, take from the tube the required number of white and red microwells. Put the rest in the tube and close the lid. Add 85 microliters of the supernatant and 115 microliters of distilled water into the white microwells and mix well. Transfer the mixed liquid to the red microwells. Mix well and incubate for 6 minutes. Fourth step, after incubation, place a test strip and incubate for another 6 minutes. Fifth step, after the second incubation, take out the test strip and remove the sample pad. Observe by eye. If the color of the test line is darker than the control line, that means the result is negative. In the sixth step, you can use a reader for interpreting the results. Turn on the reader. After self-test, press Go. Choose Test Item Mode. Press Go. Select Check and select the item to be tested. Open the tray. Place the test strip. Close the tray and press Test. The corresponding picture is displayed on the left side of the reader screen. On the right side, there are numeric results and positive-negative symbols. Minus is negative. Plus is positive. Plus-minus is weak positive. Our results were negative.